Hello students, I am Rohitash and I am here for delivering my lecture on pattern transfer and etching. Now, so far we have discussed in this unit about projection printers and optical lithography. Now we are going to discuss mask generation process. In order to successfully perform lithography, it is necessary to make the mask first. Mask can be made by several different methods. First, there was the manual method used in 1660s and 70s for relatively simple SiC. Here, the data are first plotted to a scale of 100 to 200x for accuracy on rubylith on a plotter and cut and peeled. The plot is reduced to about 10x to 15x times using a first reduction camera to obtain the pattern on a emulsion coated glass plate. This plate is called the reticle. Next, the first reduction mask reticle is used as the object in a step repeat camera and the image formed on another reticle. The more modern technique is to store the mask design data in computer associated with a pattern generator, which can subsequently be used for mask making. Another procedure would be to use the data in the computer to control an electron beam pattern generator to directly expose the emulsion clad glass plate. The emulsion coated mask could then act as the master for generating chrome masters. Firstly, a reticle containing a mask of a single chip could be made. Then, a step repeat camera could be used to obtain the mask for the entire wafer. Now, we are having photoresist positive and negative. The photosensitive compound used in microelectronics is called photoresist. Photoresists are used to transfer the pattern onto the substrate. For transferring the pattern, radiation should strike the photoresist and it must change the properties of material in such a way that the exact replica of the mask is left on the surface of wafer. There are mainly two kinds of photoresist, positive photoresist and negative photoresist. The positive photoresist respond to the light in such a way that exposed region dissolve more quickly during development process, while unexposed region remain unchanged. While negative photoresist respond in opposite manner, they respond to the light in such a way that unexposed region dissolve more quickly during development process while exposed region remain unchanged. Positive photoresist have best resolution and therefore they are much popular for IC fabrication. In a dark field marks the region to be doped would be active and hence clear, so a positive photoresist must be used. On exposure, the photoresist in the clear active region in this case would be developed and removed and resist would be retained only in the field regions. The oxide from the active region can now be etched out, permitting the desired selective doping. Compounds of photoresist: a resin or base material, a photoactive compound PAC, a solvent that controls the mechanical properties. As shown in the diagram, you are having DQN positive photoresist Novolac. Novolac is a polymer whose monomer is an aromatic ring with two methyl groups and a NOH group. It dissolves easily in aqueous solution. Now, diazoxanone. The structure of diazoxanone is shown in the figure. The part of the molecules from SO2 down, which includes the two lower aromatic rings, is specified to particular resist manufacturers and plays only a secondary role in the exposure process. You can see directly in this diagram that how the nitrogen molecules N2 is weakly bonded. The addition of ultraviolet light will free the nitrogen molecules from the carbon ring, leaving behind highly reactive carbon site. In the presence of water, a final rearrangement occurs in which double bond to this external carbon is replaced with single bond and an OH group. The final product is carbolic acid. Now we are having Photoresist parameters. Photoresist parameters are dose, sensitivity, resolution, contrast. Starting from the very first point, dose. The dose theta is the photons or electrons incident on the unit area of resist and is given by product of the electrons or photons intensity and the exposure time t. Sensitivity. Sensitivity refers to the amount of light energy necessary to create the chemical change. Resolution refers to smallest feature that can be reproduced in a photoresist. Contrast. Contrast of photoresist is used to characterize the resist directly. In our last slide, you are watching that how development of photoresist can be taken place by means of this block diagram. Baking is used for moisture removal, and finally we are having resist stabilization. So these are the topics of photoresist. Thank you.